Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Welcome back guys. A lot of YouTubers don't know about how to make an intro for YouTube channel. If you don't know about video editing, don't worry. In this video I will show you how to make a professional intro for YouTube channel without any knowledge of video editing. So to know it properly, stay with us end of this video. First of all, open a browser and then here search for flixpress.com. You can see something like this. Here, as we are new user, so we will click on register option. If you have already account, then you can log in with your previous account. Here, fill up this form. First, type a username. Then type here first name, then last name. Then type here a valid email address, because you will get your verification code in your email address, which one you provide on here, and then type same password in this two box. Agree with their terms and conditions, then capture entry, and full and final click on register. You can also log in with your email address without any account. Already I have an account, so I will log in with my previous account. Here you will get 2 minutes in your account balance if you are a new user. I have already made 2 intros, so here less than 2 minutes in my account balance. Here you will get a lot of templates, but if you want to use personal or expert level templates, then you have to spend some money for it. Otherwise you can use all free templates. We can watch all templates preview by place mouse cursor on it. If you want to use this one, click on it. Then click on customize. Then here select your template color. Then top line, it will your channel name. Then bottom line, it will highlight bottom of your channel name. Then some other settings, they are optional. If you want, then you can use it. Then you can create preview before submit order. But now I will click on submit order. Now here click on view my orders. Here you can watch preview of your templates. Now full and final step, download it in HD quality. I hope this trick will work for you. To get more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.